It's Chef Reggie with Aloha Shoyu, and today we have Aloha Shoyu's Gluten Free Teriyaki Spicy Sauce. And today, the recipe we'll be using is we'll be frying up some king mushroom, bread it a little bit to make it like a katsu style, and then we'll serve it with a kabayaki sauce. That's when we use the teriyaki sauce. We cooked it down, reduced it, and turn it into kabayaki sauce. And then with this, we also have a spicy mayo with it. And then we'll do like a little daikon salad with green onion. We have shredded red cabbage, and to garnish off the plate, we have kaiwari sprouts. So let's do it. Alright, so I went ahead and already done our king mushrooms. We sliced it, and then we bread it with flour, then egg wash, and then panko. We deep fried it in 360-degree oil until it's golden brown, and this is what you come up with. Alright, so let's plate the dish. Start off with a nice black plate. We'll put the spicy mayo on the bottom. Okay, make it nice. We can just put it here.
Oh.
Alright, so the spicy mayo, it consists of just mayonnaise, sesame oil, and sriracha. So we're just going to put it on the plate, like so, and then we'll just, Alright, so let's make the daikon salad. We'll put daikon. We'll put shredded red cabbage. Nice color going here. Color, crunchy texture. And then we'll put sliced julienne green onion. And then we'll just give it a little toss. So it's like a small salad. And with this, we'll just put it right in the middle of the plate, like so. Alright, looking nice. Okay, now we'll just put the mushrooms right on top. We'll put the large ones on the back and make our way forward with crisscross pattern. Nice and crunchy, golden brown. There we go. And then with the kabayaki sauce, we'll just drizzle it right on top. Or on the plate. Like so. And then just to top it off, we'll just put some kaiwari sprouts right on top just to garnish. Make it nice and fancy. You can stagger where you want to put it. There you go. Alright, and there you have it. Katsu style king mushroom with spicy mayo, kabayaki sauce, and a salad of red cabbage, daikon, and green onion.